So now on our USD JPY, by the way, as we can see on our USD JPY, what I am predicting for the week is our USD, which is to our JPY, should fall this week and take out this low. Exactly what I am aiming for. As you can see, I can highlight here as like a double top. We saw our price pushes up, it came out again to hit this area here. So I'm expecting our USD to fall to take out this low, by the way, before we can expect to probably take out this low or give us that bullish move to come again hit this our resistance level, whereby our price starts acting as a ranging move. But before that, we would want to see expecting a fall, by the way. That is on my daily time frame. Now let's sit on our 4-hour time frame. We can see here our price actually reacting to one of our key level here. You can see here where our price has reacted here. Let me highlight it for you. You can see our price is actually reacting here. So I am waiting for our price to break below it and come down. As you can see on our 4-hour time frame, we are actually on a downward trend. We are actually trending downward. We are below our 10 period moving average, and once our price is below our 10 period moving average, we are actually to sell. So it will be better we actually aim to sell our USD JPY for the week. Then we probably be looking for a bullish move or a fall. Now let's see it on our JPY index. As we can see on our JPY index, we've gotten a bullish move, right? We've actually had a fall. We've now had a bullish move, by the way. So I'm still aiming for a bullish move to actually take out this our highs. Right, the reason is that this place is one of our legitimate key level. Now let's see on our 4-hour time frame. As we can see on our 4-hour time frame, our price is actually reacting here, by the way. So our price is actually giving us a pullback. Then we'll probably be seeing a bullish move this week. So as we are getting a bullish move on our JPY index, our USD to our card should actually be falling. So that is exactly what I am seeing for the week. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you very much.